Hello Boris, it's Rob here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Triumph Daytona 675 which has 2600 kilometers on it. Price is 10888 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN number. You will need it for your insurance agent to give him the VIN number to get exact quotes. So the bike itself is in excellent condition, and Boris, there are no marks, nothing at all. I'm going through it right now with you. Tire condition is perfect as well. So here are mirrors. This is just a cover for it. It comes off. No scratches. Pro grip tank protector on it. It's all stock, as you see. Diablo Super Sport or Super Corsa, sorry. And Brembo's ABS. This is the battery lead we add to every bike to charge the battery. So here we go. It's a first start. Open ignition. 2,678 kilometers on it. There's the kill switch off. Oh, I gotta pull the clutch with the other hand, so I'll be able to start it. ABS light will disappear in the minute you start riding. There's the fuel gauge. Yeah, inventory is empty right now, but we gotta fill it up. It gives a lot of information. Low beam. High beam. Pretty much everything. So I'm gonna send you this link, you watch it, and then you can contact me again through email so we can proceed and get it ready for you before you pick it up for next Saturday. You can call me back as well at 905-660-2901 extension 212. Thank you.